Hey guys, today we're making avocado salsa. All of the ingredients used today will be listed below in the description. If you like the video today, you guys, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. First, we're going to start off by peeling our tomatillos. You're going to want to make sure you rinse them off well. They do leave a little bit of a sticky residue. Next, you're going to go ahead and peel your garlic. Do not crush it or slice it up. You're just going to want to peel it. I'm heating up the veggies today on a flat grill, but you can use your stove or even a charcoal grill. While your veggies are out here roasting, you're going to want to start prepping up your onion, avocado, and lime. I chop my onions just into fours because we're going to throw them in the blender anyways. Go ahead and take your veggies once they're nice and brown and soft and pull them off the grill. You can let them cool if you like, or you can throw them straight in the blender. It's up to you. Now go ahead and chop the stem off of the jalapeno. You don't want to throw that in. Go ahead and blend everything up. Now you can see you got a beautiful fresh avocado salsa. If you liked the video today, you guys, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.